Aluminum access hatches are used today for a variety of applications, from water and sewer system access to large utility vaults. EJ aluminum hatches are durable and built to last, utilizing heavy-duty 316 stainless steel hardware while remaining lightweight and ergonomic for the operator. Many optional features make access, inspection, and maintenance easy and safe. A durable hatch starts with the right foundation. EJ offers two main robust frame types: a channel frame for keeping water out of your structure, and an angle frame for when it isn't as critical to keep water out. The aluminum quarter-inch diamond plate cover is a durable, lightweight, and corrosion-resistant option for pedestrian and unintended vehicular traffic applications. Hatches installed in areas where unintentional traffic may occur are engineered with more robust fabrication and meet the needs of AASHTO H20 rating. Different surface options are available, including the standard aluminum diamond plate or Safety Sure Grip, added non-slip protection. Custom lettering or logo engraving is also available for the surface of aluminum hatches. The hinge quality directly impacts the longevity of a hatch. That's why EJ uses heavy-duty grade 316 stainless steel hinge hardware with 3/8-inch diameter pins. The pneumatic lift assist makes opening covers even easier. The unique oil reservoir keeps the seal lubricated to ensure a long lifespan. To keep the cover from accidentally closing, the 316 stainless steel safety bar automatically engages when the cover fully opens. A half-inch stainless steel bolt is used for added durability. The Safehatch safety access system combines covering the opening, fall-through protection, and controlled confined space entry with a lockable safety grate. Visual inspection, float adjustments, and some maintenance can be done while the grate is closed. With the slam lock feature, the weight of the cover causes the latch to automatically lock when the cover is closed. A T-handle key is used to disengage the lock to open the hatch. The same key is used to insert the 316 stainless steel Keyway Plug. This plug keeps the keyway free of debris and will not become damaged or difficult to remove. As another security option, a recessed padlock clip conceals a lock under the protective cover. This can be customized to accommodate your standard locks. Whether cast in place or precast in advance, there is no need to build temporary forms. Our leave-in-place forming skirts are ordered to match top slab thickness. EJ customers have unrivaled access to innovations, inventories, and service in the field. We are committed to creating the best infrastructure access solutions and backing them with unparalleled customer service.